Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR jackhammer. So looks like it does come with a pretty nice looking case. Comes with some oil. We got a filling bottle, we got a wrench, we got a couple of Allen wrenches, dust mask, and it actually comes with a couple extra brushes, so in the event that this thing wears down, you actually got the brushes you can use to replace it. Got a couple of gloves, eye protection. Okay, and here is our chisel bit. Nice thick shaft on that guy. Can see there is a slight coating of oil on there, so we don't have to worry about this thing rusting when we get it. We can see it's got this valley cut in. That is going to be how that locks into the jackhammer. And I like that it comes with these tubes, so we got a place to put it. And the other one, we got the same thing, but this one is a pointed tip. And here is the jackhammer. Now I can see on here we got a little bit of support. That is going to provide some cushion, so when this thing is vibrating, it's going to help to dampen that vibration before it gets into your hand. This handle, it actually is, it's like a very soft plastic. It's not quite a rubber, but it feels nice. We got our sight glass right here so you can see the oil level. And it looks like this handle, you can actually rotate around so you can get in the most comfortable position. Got a nice big trigger on here, and it has a lock, so if we want to, we can just get that thing going. We don't have to put any effort into holding that trigger down. The front handle has a nice rubber grip on it, so that feels really good. And the thing I really like about it right now is just the fact that I can handle this thing. If you ever had to rent out one of those large jackhammers, those things basically take two people just to load into your truck. And then when you actually get drilled into the concrete, you have to be able to pick the thing back up and move it to the next spot. Something like this that I can actually grab and lift up, like there is a lot to be said for that. So if we look at the front, we got this pin. We can pull that out and spin it. You can see how it is rounded over on this side. And if we spin that around, it is flat on that side. So that is going to line up with this valley and prevent that from coming out. So this wrench is going to pop off the sight glass, and then we can add oil. So I just added the whole thing, and we're going to see how that lines up. In the event that I got to open that thing up and drain some of it out, I will find out. Usually they give you exactly enough. And we can see right there, our oil level is right there in the middle. So that was exactly the correct amount. So we know they didn't undershoot with this oil. Got a couple of pavers here. These are each 2 inches thick, so this is 4 inches thick of pavers. To be fair, this is not going to be nearly as strong as something like a concrete slab, but at least we'll be able to show this thing working. Nothing. Super easy. If you got some demolition work to do, this is going to be the tool that you want for that.